Okay, in this segment we're going to cover the tools needed for replacing an automotive radiator. As I use in my other training series, I use a basic standard socket and ratchet set, which gives me a good assortment of both standard and metric in short and deep, 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. I have a small selection of pliers and dikes, other various wrenches. It doesn't take a whole lot. We're just looking for the minimum to get the job done. The next thing we're going to need is a drain pan, and we're going to be draining both the antifreeze and the automatic transmission fluid that goes through the cooler on the radiator. If you have 2 pans available, 2 pans will work better. A couple of jugs will work nice too, because we do want to recycle this. But what we don't want to do is mix the 2 chemicals together. We want the antifreeze and the automatic transmission fluid separate. The automatic transmission fluid, I'll just mix in with my oil when I take it down for recycling, and the antifreeze I put in a separate jug and take it down separately. There's a point in time, there's a splash shield underneath the vehicle. When we go to drain it, it's going to have to drain across that splash shield. It makes a little bit more of a mess with the splash shield in place. It's up to you whether you want to jack the vehicle up and remove the lower splash shield on there. It'll make draining a little bit easier for you and less of a mess, but that's up to your discretion. So that should just about cover it for tools needed. Please watch our next segment, and we'll start on removing some of the items needed to get to the radiator. First step being the fresh air intake duct.